Hello everyone! Welcome to this video on the Accounts Receivable Manager role. As an AR manager, you have extended permissions in MyBill. This includes the ability to consult all invoice data linked to your AR group, dispute invoices, configure autopay, and manage your AR group's MyBill users. Let's see how it works.
I have already explored the tool and I must say it's very straightforward. Here on the dashboard screen, I can consult all my invoice data. It's also possible to filter on an ERP account and extract the statement of account, published by DHL. It lists all of the account's transactions. So easy!
You know what's also easy? Configuring autopay for your accounts.
That's true.
More information on this topic can be found in the dedicated tutorial video.
Everything is made simple. Take disputing invoices. You can just select them on the dashboard and click Dispute. Select a reason, add a comment, and click Submit Dispute.
That's right. Disputed invoices are sent to the ERP team and can be found on your dashboard on the Disputed Invoices tab.
Oh, sorry to interrupt. I just received an email. A MyBill user has just enrolled for one of my managed accounts. Let's navigate to the enrollment screen. Here we find all pending enrollments, which we can either approve or reject.
Indeed, as an AR manager, you need to enroll new users, but also manage existing ones, right?
That's right! On the My Account screen, you can scroll down and click your account's Manage button. Here you find all users linked to the account and their enabled permissions. These permissions can be edited by using the tick boxes. The only restriction is that you cannot remove your own AR manager permissions. It's also possible to change a user's mail delivery preference. Non-AR manager users can be removed from the account by hovering over their username and clicking the Remove button. And new users can be added with a click on the button. Just remember, whatever change you make, don't forget to click the Save button afterwards.
Please note that new users can also be added in bulk. You can navigate to the My Account screen, select the accounts to which the user needs to be added, and click the Add New User button. On the other hand, the Upload New Users link can be clicked to upload new users by use of an Excel file. And that's all about the AR Manager role. Now it's time to enjoy the MyBill application.
I already am.
Then my work is done here. Keep on learning!